Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today I got some awesome watch faces for you all. The weekend has finally made it. Now I got a watch face for those of you all who are about to go tear up the town. And I got a watch face for those of you all who are just going to be out running errands, chilling for the day. I got one for you too. So stay tuned because here it comes. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today I told you we got some super boss watch faces to show you. This one here is going to be for those of you all who are thinking about going out, ripping up the town, dressing to impress. This is going to be the watch face for you. For those of you all who are just going to be out and about casually, I got a watch face for you after this review. Now, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called WFP 0086 Strict Style. Has a long name to it. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look minus the second hand. Now, when this watch face is on, up at the top, you're going to get the name gear. You're going to get your battery percentage. You come down, you're going to get the day. I really like the way the day is placed down at the bottom. Very nice look. And this is an inactive watch face. Check this out, right? Now, it's not showing any icons, but you can get to your calendar. If I tap here, I can get to my settings, things of that nature. Let me tap over here and I can get into my weather. I'm telling you, this is definitely an awesome watch face. You don't have icons cluttering the screen. I'm loving this look. And on top of it, I can change the color of this watch face. So depending on what I'm wearing for the day, I can change the color to whatever is going to tie into my outfit for that night. I'm telling you all, this is definitely worth the download in the Gear Manager store. Check it out. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And for those of you all who are just going to be out casually, just running errands, the next watch face is going to be right up your alley. Let's check it out. Number two is nice. For those of you all who are going to be casually out and about, running errands, just chilling, this may be the perfect watch face for you. The name of it is called Runner. Now, the whole focus is going to be on your steps. You can see that in big, bold numbers right in the middle. And always on mode, you're going to get all the info you get when the watch face is on. You're going to get the day at the top. You're also going to get your battery info, floors climb. You come down some more, you're going to get your heart rate info, calories burned, again, your big bold numbers for your steps. You come down, you're going to get your speed. That's going to be right there. And across from it, you're going to get miles walked or ran along with the time and the date, right? If you look down at the bottom to the left, you also get your little second hand. It's going to be that little dot right there. But if you look closer, look beyond all the numbers, this watch face is animated. This takes it over the top, which really makes this worth the download. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one once you check it out in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all. I hope you all enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Party like it's 1999, but most of all, be safe. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.